Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon for latest update.
Hello everyone, welcome to my another YouTube tutorial. Today I'll show you how to insert tags in your videos, recently uploaded videos or existing videos for less than a minute. Recently I have uploaded this video and this is for Nepal. It is in Nepali language, and I haven't insert any tags here. Let's add tag here. First we'll go to new tag and type rapidtags.io. This is the website. This will help you to insert your tags fast. Let's copy this title of the video and paste it in the video title and click on search. Boom, it takes 1356 milliseconds to show you the tags. Let's copy this tag. Now it is copied. Let's paste it. Now let's click on save changes. In this way you can insert tags within a minute. It also has some other features like a generator. This means tag generator, and you can also analyze your videos from here by entering keyword or phrase, or also you can also check your video rank by entering video URL or ID, or also can track your video from here. I'll talk about this website. I'll make a review in another video. Thanks for watching for today.